If your Toyota Highlander Hybrid battery dies, should you replace it or just get rid of the car? Because this is where a lot of people panic. They see the warning lights, their MPG drops, the gas engine starts running more than usual, the battery gauge starts jumping up and down, and the first thought is, my car is done. But that's actually not true at all. A bad hybrid battery does not automatically mean you need a new car. It means you need to ask one better question. Is the rest of the vehicle still worth saving? If your engine is good, the body is clean, the maintenance has been solid, and your car still fits your life, replacing your hybrid battery can make a lot more sense than buying a new vehicle. Because here's the part most people miss. A Toyota Highlander hybrid battery replacement is not always $10,000 or $15,000. Based on the prices we sell Toyota Highlander hybrid batteries for, you're looking at something like this. For example, for a remanufactured battery like the one I have in front of me with an 18-month warranty, it's gonna be around $1,999. Now, if you're looking for a new cell battery, it's gonna be closer to that $2,999 mark. So now, the real question changes because it's not, is $2,000 or $3,000 a lot of money? Of course it is. The real question is, would you rather spend $2,000 to $3,000 to keep your car you already own, or spend $25,000, $35,000, or even $45,000 replacing the entire vehicle? Also, ask yourself this: who is going to buy a Highlander hybrid with a bad battery inside of it? The answer is almost nobody. So instead of taking a massive loss, replacing the battery can extend the life of your car another 5, 8, or even 10 plus years. That is why the decision matters, because when the rest of the car is in solid condition, hybrid battery replacement is not just a repair, it's a second life for the vehicle. Now, why do these batteries actually fail in the first place? Usually it comes down to age, heat, usage, and cooling. Hybrid batteries do not love extreme heat. They also do not love sitting unused for long periods of time. And one thing a lot of Toyota owners never think about is the battery cooling fan. Dust, lint, and pet hair can clog the airflow. And when that happens, the battery runs hotter. And when the battery begins to run hotter, it wears out faster because it breaks down the chemistry inside of the cells. So if you drive with pets or your Highlander has a lot of dust and debris inside, checking the cooling fan and cleaning it can help protect the life and extend it long term. If your Highlander hybrid is falling apart, needs engine work, suspension work, or electrical repairs and a battery, then you need to be realistic. It may not be worth it. But if the main issue is just the hybrid battery and the rest of the vehicle is solid, don't let one warning light convince you the car is finished. Because at Greentec Auto, we've been replacing hybrid and EV batteries for over 13 years across 34 company-owned locations in the US, Canada, and in the UK. This is not something we just do on the side. This is all we do. All we do is replace hybrid and EV batteries. So before you trade in your Highlander, take a lowball offer, or overpay at the dealership, check a real replacement option. Click on the link below at greentecauto.com, enter your year, make, model, and you'll get the exact quote of how much it costs to get your battery replaced. And on top of that, you can use code GTAI for $150 off for not if, but when your battery goes bad. See you guys in the next one.